Today, we are going to draw Richard Rabbit. Are you ready? Step 1. Draw a big oval for the head. Make it leaning to the side. Now, let's draw 2 long rabbit ears. Draw 2 small circles, then put a little black dot inside. For the nose, draw a circle on the right side of his face. Draw a little curvy line for a sweet smile. Now for the body, draw a flat circle right under his head. Let's add the arms and legs. Last part, draw a small circle for the bunny tail. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.